How to make the leap from good friends to the one you want to be with. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you have a great friendship with someone, but you want something more? Maybe you've been secretly crushing on them for a while, but you're not sure how to take things to the next level. Well, in this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to make the leap from good friends to the one you want to be with. First of all, it's important to understand that making this leap is not easy. It requires courage, vulnerability, and a willingness to take risks. But if you're willing to put yourself out there, it can be incredibly rewarding. One analogy that might help is to think of your friendship as a bridge. Right now, you're on one side of the bridge, and the person you want to be with is on the other side. In order to get to the other side, you need to take a step forward. This step might be asking them out on a date, telling them how you feel, or simply flirting with them more often. Whatever it is, it's important to take that first step. Of course, taking this step can be scary. You might worry about ruining the friendship, or getting rejected. But remember, if you never take the risk, you'll never know what could have been. And even if things don't work out the way you want them to, you'll still have the friendship to fall back on. Another thing to keep in mind is that timing is important. You don't want to rush things or put too much pressure on the other person. Instead, try to create opportunities for the two of you to spend more time together, and see if there's a spark there. Maybe suggest going on a weekend trip together, or trying a new activity that you both enjoy. Finally, it's important to communicate openly and honestly with the other person. Let them know how you feel, but also be willing to listen to their perspective. If they're not interested in taking things to the next level, it's important to respect their decision and continue to value the friendship. So there you have it, some tips on how to make the leap from good friends to the one you want to be with. Remember, it's not an easy journey, but it can be incredibly rewarding if you're willing to take the risk. Just remember to be courageous, vulnerable, and communicate openly and honestly with the other person. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more relationship advice and tips on personal growth. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching.